ATS, nothing but applicant tracking system. So majority of the software companies are nowadays using these ATS softwares to filter out your resumes. So in our previous video, we understood what are the common mistakes that you guys do as a fresher while creating your resume. So if you do those common mistakes, ATS cannot filter your resume. Hello developers, welcome to day 2 of our 10 days internship job readiness program series. So in this video, we'll try to understand what are ATS softwares and then how do we create ATS compliant resume. So as we discussed, ATS is applicant tracking system. Applicant tracking system is a software that is used by most of the HRs to track the applicant of a job seeker. So right from searching for the candidate till onboarding the candidate, they use ATS softwares. HRs, when they want to recruit, so they first upload the job description into the ATS softwares. ATS software will filter out the best resumes based on the job description. So there are certain rules that ATS follow in order to filter out the resume or look for some information on your resume in order to consider. So in this video, we'll try to understand how do we create ATS compliant resumes. There are a lot of websites and tools which are available in internet to create ATS compliant resumes. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Now let us look at how do we create it. So now here I'm searching for ATS compliant resume for freshers, and depending upon what role you're searching for, it is better you search for that entire thing like ATS compliant resume for internship, ATS compliant resume for full stack developer or front end developer, because these softwares will create certain templates or predefined templates which matches to the job description, so that it will be easy for you to select some predefined templates and then edit your information accordingly. So now here you have a lot of softwares which can do that for you. I'm creating this JT, or you can select anything because they all work on the templates. So now when you click on create, so it will just ask you to create your resume. Just click on create my resume. Then it will ask you, I'm just choosing no experience and then a student, and then select the option that best describes your education level. So I can say bachelor's. Then it will ask you to choose a color template or whatever that is recommended for you. So I'm choosing this, or maybe if you don't want any color, so you can select this. So I'm choosing blue here. I'm choosing this color, and then you can select any one of the template that what you want to have. They have hundreds of templates to choose from. So I'm now selecting this one. Just click on this choose template. And then here, if you already have a resume, you can upload it here so that it will crawl and then get the information and then adjust it according to the template. But here I'm creating it right from new. So then it will apply the template. So the first you need to add your heading. So first I'm uploading my photo. So just any professional passport size photo you can apply, and then you can adjust this according to the size. Just click on save. And then you can enter your name. I'm just entering my first name, last name, and in the profession what you're applying for. So if you're applying for intern, so you can apply intern front-end developer or intern back-end developer, intern full stack developer, intern UI UX, etc. So now here I'm applying that front-end developer. So then it's asking for city. I'm entering the city, then country, PIN code, then the phone number, so then your email ID. And it is highly recommended that you should create your LinkedIn account and then put your LinkedIn URL here. And so just click on next education. So just click on next. Then here you enter your school name, the college where you have done your engineering. So don't worry, we can customize all these details. Just click on next, and you can add the other education details like a +2 and then till 10 standard. And next, go to the professional experience, job seeking, and click on next. And if you have any experience of internship experience, you can add the experience here. Or if you're using for an internship, just click on this and just click on continue. And now click on next. Then here, so if you have done any internship, so you have to mention the company where you have done, the location, and then start date and then end date, etc. And then here, based on the job description, like it writes some expert recommendation for interns. So you can add this or you can create it right from scratch. So then just click on next. And then if you have more experiences, you can add it here, or just click on next to focus on your skills. just click on next, and then it will try to generate the personalized content for you, and then you can add or edit whatever the things that you want to add it here. So that, just click on next summary and then click on next. So it will ask you to write a professional summary. Here I'm just adding a professional summary, and or you can write it right from scratch. So then you have to enter your personal details and your portfolios and any certifications that you have done or any accomplishments that you have done and any interests or any additional information. Just click on next and then enter all the details like the personal details here. Just click on next and then enter any websites, portfolios, or your GitHub links or your portfolio links, etc. Just click on next. And then whatever the achievements that you have done, what are the accomplishments that you have done. So you just can write your these things. Then if you have done any certifications, then you can do that. And next you can directly finalize this. And then I'm just using this discard section. So it will give you a complete preview of this. You can always preview it and then edit accordingly whatever the content that you have. And using these templates, you don't need to worry about formatting, grammatical mistakes, because the ATS software will take care of it for you. So just click on next. And then finally you can see how your resume looks like. And then you can download this. I recommend it to download it as a PDF if you are okay with this, or download it as a document if you still want to edit, and then later you can convert that into PDF. And then you can give the resume name here, and then I suggest your first name underscore last name underscore the role that what you are applying for, front-end developer, intern, or something like that. So now just click on download. So then it will ask you to sign up with Google. So create your account with the Google. And once you have done, so you can download your resume. So this is the way you can create your ATS compliant resumes. Guys, it is very, very important as a fresher. Take some templates online and try to create it and customize it according to your data. And if you like this video, please hit a like, share it with all of your friends because it is going to be a great help for them. Let's build a great developer community all together. See you in the next videos.